Hi children, today ma'am is going to teach you a simple pop-up card like this for Teachers Day that you yourself can make it and you can share it with your teachers with the materials that you have at your home. So shall we see? Yes. For this you require two rectangle shape paper, one is bigger and one is smaller, some decorative stickers, a scale, marker, glue and scissors, that is optional. First step to make the pop-up card is to make the base. Okay, for that you have to take the bigger rectangle paper like this. Okay, so this is the base. You need a center line like this. So for that what you have to do is we have to fold the bigger rectangle like this, like a book. Okay, fold it like this and you can see your center line, standing line, right? So you got a line. So the base of the card is ready now. You can keep this aside. The second step is making the pop-up card. Second step is you have to take the smaller rectangle like this and you can see the larger side, right? This is the larger side. You have to fold the larger side upside and down and we are going to make a sleeping line in the center now. Okay, for that what you have to do is fold the larger side top to bottom like this upside down and press it in the middle so that you get a sleeping line in between like this. We also need a center line from top to bottom. For that what you have to do is you have two smaller sides, right, in a rectangle. You have to fold in the center like this and press it here in the center. Okay, so that what you get a standing line in the center. Now you got lines like a plus, right? After this, okay, you have to fold upside down and you have a center line, right? Till that you have to fold the right side corner. Okay, hold the right side corner and just fold like this and press it here. Okay, the same way in the left side also what you have to do is you have to fold till the center like this. Now you got something like a home base, right? Okay, like this you will get something. Now open it. Okay, now same way you have to do it reverse side, the other side. Okay, see the other side, hold the corner and just fold it till the center line. Okay, the same way also the other side like this. Yes, can you see? So I have folded two ways, this side, okay, and at the back side. Now you can see different lines on the paper. Now once you open this, okay, press it in the center like this with one hand. Okay, now with the right hand if you press in the sleeping line that you can see here, right? If you press there, that line will go inside like this. So just you have to press it here, the line will go inside like this. The same way what you have to do is the other side also you have to just press the middle line. Okay, so if you press that middle line it will go inside and now you got the pop-up. Okay, so this is the pop-up card. So if you have any message that you want to convey to your teacher, that you can write it over here and then you can fold it. But what I am going to do is I am just going to write only teachers, okay, and I am going to paste it inside. Let's see. This is the message I have. Okay, so this message I am going to paste it in the middle of the base that we already prepared. Okay, and on the top of the base I am going to decorate it with something like this. This you yourself can prepare or else you can paste simply the stickers that you might have at your home. like star or whatever stickers you might have, right? You can paste that also. Now let's see how to paste the pop-ups and the other stickers on the card. Once you are done with the message, just fold it back like I told, right? Just press it inside. The middle part will go in, and what you have to do is take the pop-up card, okay, and keep your base like this, and keep the pop-up here, okay. Take glue, apply on the top of the pop-up card like this, okay. Apply glue and just fold your base, okay. You can press it with scale or any other weight things, okay. Now turn it the other side also, open the same way, apply glue here. Now again press it the other side also, okay. Yes. Now when you open, your message will also get popped up like this, okay. Now paste all other decorative things that we have and decorate it, and your card is done. So let's see the finishing thing. Now can you see, children, I have decorated the front side of the base like this, and when you open this, the message also will beautifully get popped up like this. This is just a basic outline of the card. Your creativity matters a lot. You can write your own personalized messages on the pop-up card, and you can even paste different stickers, and you can share it with your teachers and make them feel happy on Teachers' Day. So will you all do this? Yes.